I'm going to show you how you can get paid $16 per hour on Kick. Now, the way you can do this is that we're going to join something called the Kick Partner Program. Now, the Kick Partner Program basically rewards you by streaming, right? So, no matter if you have donations or sponsor or things like that, you'll get paid a significant amount of $16 per hour no matter what. So, it's basically just going to be a job. But there will be a couple of requirements for you to join this Kick Partner Program, right? Now, I'm going to read out the requirements right now. First off, you must abide by Kick's Terms of Service, Community Guidelines, CMC Policy, and the KCIP Terms and Condition. Your channel must be verified on Kick before applying to the Kick Partner Program. The Kick channel session with the relevant links to your social media and filled in an About section, right? You need a minimum average of 75 live concurrent viewership in the past 30 days. Stream for 30 hours in the past 30 days. Minimum of 25 active subs in the past 30 days. 250 unique chatter in the past 30 days. 3 thoughts in the past 30 days, and at least 250 followers. If you have met all of those requirements, then you need to email this email address right here, kickpartners@kick.com. You will have to email with your associated email that you use to sign up on Kick, and then you need to enter in the username of your account as well. And then you just need to be verified and then go through from the process from there.